Hello. Is anybody home?
Oh no! Look, Dad! The fridge is completely empty!
Just one bottle of water. This is not good.
Daddy, I am so hungry! My tummy is rumbling.
I know, buddy. Do we have anything?
Maybe some eggs or some chicken?
No chicken, no eggs, nothing at all.
Don't worry, Leo. Mom will be home soon. Maybe she will bring some delicious food.
Wait, I have a great idea. Let's order a big pizza with extra cheese. Yum, yum. I can almost taste it.
Oh,
No pizza today, my loves. I bought healthy sandwiches for everyone.
Mommy, you are home. Yummy. These sandwiches are great. Okay, I am full now.
Good. Now we have energy for our mission. Look at the fridge. It is still empty. We need food for the whole week. Get dressed, team. Let's go shopping! Welcome to the supermarket, everyone. Today is our official shopping day. All right, family, we have a big mission today. We need food for the whole week. Ethan, here is your important mission. You need to get meat and fish. Get chicken, beef, and some fresh salmon. Can you do it, Captain?
meat and fish. Easy peasy. Leave it to me, Grace.
Maya, you get the vegetables and fruits. Find the freshest apples and carrots.
Got it, Mom. I will find the best ones.
And Leo, you get milk and eggs. Eggs break very easily. Be careful, sweetie.
Don't worry, Mom. I will be very gentle.
Remember, only buy what is on the list. No extras. We need to save money today.
Yeah, Captain! Team, let's go! Milk and eggs. Milk and eggs. Wait, what is this magical place? The candy aisle. Look at all these colors. It looks so tasty and sweet. Mom says I need to grow tall and strong. Chocolate gives you energy, right? If I eat this, I will be strong like Superman. And chocolate comes from beans, so it is healthy. This chocolate looks delicious. And these jelly beans are so yummy. I will take them all. Into the cart you go. Oh my, a Lego car and a robot. I can play with these while I drink milk. They go together perfectly. Into the cart. My list says vegetables and fruit. But look, a new collection of paints. Wow, look at this paint set. It is brand new and the colors are perfect. I really want it. I want to be a famous artist. It is not a toy. It is an art supply. It is for my important school project. Mom will definitely agree with this.
Chicken and fish. Chicken and fish. Where is the meat section? Wait! What is that over there? A flash sale. The Coffee Master is here. It is 50% off. Is this a dream? The original price is $400. Now it is only $200. If I buy it, I save $200. Imagine a hot cappuccino every single morning. I will be fully awake and happy.
It is a necessity for a busy dad. I have to buy it right now. Yes, it is a bargain. Come with me, Coffee Master.
Let me check my list. Rice? Check. Soap? Check. Everything is perfect so far.
Grace, long time no see.
Oh, hello, Mary. How are you doing?
I am fine. But prices are crazy these days. Everything in this store is so expensive.
Exactly. That is why we have a strict budget. Smart shopping is the only way today.
Are you shopping alone today, Grace?
Usually, shopping is very hard work.
Oh no, my wonderful husband and kids are here. We are a team. They are helping me. They are all being very responsible today.
You are so lucky to have such a team. Well, have a good day, Grace.
Goodbye, Mary. See you soon. Here comes my dream team now.
We did it!
Did you get all the healthy food? Let me check the carts.
Wait, what is this?
Chocolate, paint, and a giant coffee maker? Where is the chicken? Where are the vegetables?
Grace, look! It is huge and 50% off.
But Mom, they are professional paints. It looks so yummy, Mommy. Leo, we bought chocolate on Monday. We still have a lot at home.
Maya, your room is full of paints. Do you really need a new set today? And Ethan, even with 50% off, it is expensive. We don't really need a new coffee maker. It is not saving if we don't need it. That is just wasting our money. This is money for food for the whole week. Do you all want to go hungry?
You are right, Grace. We got distracted by shiny things.
I am sorry, Mom. We will fix it.
Perfect! Now we have healthy food. And look at the total bill.
It fits our budget perfectly.
Shopping smart feels good, doesn't it? I will cook a delicious dinner tonight. Yay! Yay! Dinner time! Remember, stick to the plan and shop smart. What about you? Do you like shopping?
Look at the snow. It is so white.
Brr, it is cold today.
Ethan, zip up your jacket.
Thanks, Grace. I am okay now.
Is everyone warm?
Maya, where is your scarf? Keep your neck warm, sweetie. I have my yellow scarf, Mom. It is soft. Look! I have blue gloves. I am ready to touch the snow.
Good. And I have my super goggles. They make me go fast. Okay, family, let's race!
Stop, Ethan! Not yet. We must learn how to ski safely first. Look at my skis! This is French fries. Parallel lines make you go fast.
But to stop, you make a pizza shape. It is a big triangle with your skis.
French fries to go, pizza to stop. Easy peasy.
Pizza!
I am not hungry. I am a pro. Watch this. Woohoo! Look at me! I am flying. The wind is my friend today.
Wow! Look at Dad go!
Wait, I am going too fast. Whoa! Whoa! How do I stop? Ah!
Oh no! A big pile of snow! Dad crashed into the snow! Is he okay?
Poor Dad. We must go down to help him. Are you ready to ski?
Yes, Mom. We are ready.
Okay, follow me. Remember what I taught you. Use the pizza shape to slow down.
Yeah! Pizza shape. Slow down and stop. Dad is a snowman.
That was very cold.
Next time, please listen, Ethan. Safety first on the mountain.
Yeah, you are right. We must always listen to instructions.
We need to learn how to stay safe. Did you learn new words today? Pizza shape, French fries, or safety? Do you like snow? Tell us in the comments. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to Grace Daily English for more fun.
Bye-bye. See you next time.